Hello everyone, how are you? Dollar Currency 21 is here again. As you know, this is our Twitter account. Go and follow us. There's a lot of education and content, plus a lot of bonuses, opportunities, signals in our account. Okay, let's jump into the charts. Guys, in a Bitcoin chart in 4-hour time frame, as you can see, we already broke the upward channel, ascending channel to the downside. We formed some kind of pullback inside it. And if you know, in Ichimoku cloud, this purple line is Kijun-sen. Whenever price is above the Kijun-sen, it acts like a support. Whenever we broke it to the downside and price will goes below it, it acts like a resistance. So currently we broke it to the downside with a big candle here, okay? And let me broke it to the downside with a big strong candle, and we really are struggling to move upside, there is a lot of candles formed to just cover this big strong candle. Okay, so this is some kind of weaknesses in the market, and note that price is already below the red combo cloud, which is another bearish sign. Okay, so to me, there is a high possibility to go downside from some kind of liquidity hunting, and note that if you check the heat map, there is huge liquidity here below the $59,000. Okay, so two scenarios is clear here. In one scenario, if we break the Kijun-sen and this supply zone around $64,700 and back inside this ascending channel and showing some kind of confirmation, the targets for a short-term long position is $68,000 and $70,000. Okay. On the other hand, if I see weaknesses here, some bearish signs, okay, and going downside, we probably going downside to hunt those liquidity downside around 62,000 at the first TP, $60,000 as a second TP, and $59,000 as third TP for short position. Okay, so be careful and note that we bought Bitcoin at $60,000 and we want to buy more Bitcoin in future. So if we go downside, that's really a good sign to buy Bitcoin. So don't worry, because we are really close to the bottom of the bear market. Probably near the September, October, we will form the base for the next bullish cycle and next bull market. And we think that $48,000 to $59,000 will be the bottom for Bitcoin. Okay, on Ethereum charts, if we check it in the 4-hour time frame, we see that we have a ascending trend line like Bitcoin, and we already broke that too, and we are struggling to move above this combo cloud or got rejected and downside. So I found two order block, one of them currently acting as a support zone here. If you check it around 1,654 and if we break it to the downside and showing some kind of confirmation below it, okay, we will have three target for this downside, and I'm gonna open a short position if we confirm below it. My first target is 1602, the second target is 1511, and the third target is 1421 dollar. Okay, but currently we are seeing some kind of bullish candles formation. Okay, so I have a resistance wall, and if price going upside, let me jump into the 1-hour time frame, because the upside movement is gonna be a really short-term position. So if we manage to break this resistance wall, $1762 and confirm above it, the first target is 1788, the second target is 1827, and the third target is 1863. And here I'm looking for a short position again. I'm looking for a bearish signs here, because to me Ethereum is gonna go downside and hunt the liquidity below $21. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this show. See you later.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger,